In this video we are going to be making this gorgeous baby blanket using the star stitch and the half double crochet stitch. It's really easy to make and is such a cute gift for any new baby. Let's get into it. So I have 3 balls of DK yarn. This is so super soft, and the corresponding hook, so I've got a 4mm hook here. We are going to do my absolute favourite stitch, which is the star stitch. So what we're going to do is chain 91. 4, 5, 6. I'll meet you back here when we both chained 91. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to pop our hook into second chain from hook and pull up a loop. And then the third, we've got 3 loops on our hook. And then the fourth, 4 loops, the 5th, 5 loops, and the 6th. Okay, so we've got 6 loops on our hook. And then to make that star effect, we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to pull through all 6. Okay, so that's the corner of our blanket, really nice and neat and tidy. Okay, now this is kind of the tricky bit, but once you get the hang of it, you're fine, because you're just going to be repeating over and over again. So we're going to take this yarn over and pull through, so we're going to chain 1, and then we've got the eye of the star here, and we're going to just pop our hook in, pull up a loop, okay, and then you're going to pull up until you have 6 loops on your hook, but you're going to go through different holes than you went before. So we've got a loop on our hook, then we've got one through the eye, then we've got this bar here, okay? You're going to pop your hook through there and pull up. And then you're going to put your hook through the stitch, which is going to be like a big gaping hole. You're going to know that one. Pull up. So you've got 4 loops on your hook. And the next 2 stitches are on your starting chain. So we've got 4 loops on our hook, and now we're going to pull up another one, 5 loops on our hook, and now we have 6 loops on our hook. All right, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 6. Don't pull too tight together because you want your star to be shown, and then you're just going to yarn over and pull through for the chain. All right, so you've done 2 half stars because the other half of the star is going to be on this row here. So we're going to do the same thing again, go through the eye, pull up, through this bar here, pull up, and then through this big baggy hole here, pull up. So you've got 4 on your hook, and then you're going to go through this chain and through this chain, and you've got 6 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all of those 6. And then you want to yarn over, pull through to make that chain, stitch, and then do exactly the same thing again. So I'll meet you back here when you've done this same thing all the way along, and you should be doing each little star is going to take up 2 stitches of the bottom chain. Okay, instead of doing a double crochet stitch, which you can do, that will leave a gap at the end, and we don't want the gap. So we're going to try putting our hook into the eye, pulling up, and then into this and pulling up, and then pulling through like that. All right, so you still have your eye and there's no gaps here. All right, and you're going to use this eye when you are going back on yourself, which I'll show you now. Okay, so we're going to just turn our work. We're going to chain 1, and then yarn over, and then we're going to half double crochet 2 in this eye, and that kind of gives the rest of your star look. And then all of the eye stitches along, we're going to just do 2 half double crochets in every eye stitch that you see. I'll just do a couple for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll meet you back when we have got all the way to the end. We've come to the end of our row now. We've got one eye left. We're going to do 1 double crochet in this last eye of our star, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet just in that last end stitch. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work. Then what you want to do is make sure that the last 2 stitches here are going to be for your star. It's going to be just above this one, okay? Which means that you are going to do your 6 loops, but you're going to use the different parts of this stitch. So you've got 1 in this back stitch here and pull up, and then you're going to put your hook through the same stitch, but you're going to put it through the bar in that stitch, okay? So you've got 3 there, and then go through that next one. So you've got 4 in your hook, and as long as you have 4 there, then you're going to go through the first stitch in that row. So you've got 5, and then the next one. So this star is going to be right on top of this star here, okay? So then you pull through all 6 like you did before, and then that's started your star, and it's exactly the same, but it's just 1 above, okay? And then you're going to pull through like you did before, and then you're going to do your rows exactly as before, okay? So you're going to go through the eye, pull up, through this bar here and pull up, so you've got 3 on your hook. Then you're going to go through this one, pull up, so you've got 4 on your hook, through this one, and then through this one, okay? So you've got 6, you're going to pull through and then do exactly the same with that one. So you need to do stars to the end and then double crochet at the end, and then you're going to need to do 2 double crochets in every eye along, okay? I'm going to write this at the bottom for you as well. Feel free to pause the video or replay any part of the video. I just want to make it nice and simple for you. So if you have any questions as well, just leave them in the comments below. We're going to make a pretty shell border for this lovely blanket. Now we're going to yarn over and then pop the hook into the second chain from the hook. Then we're going to pull up, and then we're going to pull through all 3. All right, and that's going to make a little wedge of cheese. Can you see? Okay, we're going to do that 2 more times. So we're going to yarn over, go into that same stitch, pull up again. You've got 3 loops on your hook, and you are going to pull through all 3 of those. There you go. And then 1 more time, yarn over, hook in through that same stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, and pull through those 3. And now you have a lovely shell stitch. And to finish it off, you're going to just miss out this next stitch here and go straight into this one. We're going to do a single crochet in this one, okay? So miss this one out. The next stitch, we're going to pop our hook in, pull up, and then pull through those 2, single crochet. So now you've done 1 shell stitch, and you're going to carry on along this line. I'm going to show you a couple more. So we're going to miss out another one, miss out this next stitch here, yarn over, put our hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3. All of these 3 loops on your hook. There we go. And then yarn over and go in that same stitch, pull through, you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you're going to pull through all 3, and then one more time, yarn over, pop it in that same hook, pull up, 3 loops on your hook, and pull through all 3. And then you're going to miss out that stitch, and in the next stitch you're just going to do 1 single crochet. When you're coming to the end, so we've just done our single crochet stitch, and now we're going to yarn over and do our normal shell. So that's 1 half double crochet, 2 and 3, and then we're going to do our single crochet in this last stitch here. So you're going to miss out that stitch, and then in the last stitch, last little loop, I'm going to do that better, okay? Then we're going to turn on the side, and this side is not as easy to see where the holes are, okay? So yarn over, unpop your hook in this first one here, pull up, pull through 3, do the same thing again, and the same, and then your single crochet is going to be where this naturally falls down, so it's going to be a little bit further than that one. So all you do is carry on going round, and I'll meet you back here when you have done the whole border. Oh, I'm so excited about this blanket. It's so lovely, and I really hope that yours turned out really lovely too. How pretty are these little star stitches? So classic, and just everything about it is beautiful. It's snuggly and soft, perfect for a new baby gift. If you liked this video, then you will love this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.